In this video, I am going to show you how to log in to another Facebook account. So first of all, open up your Facebook application. On your Facebook application, if you want to log into another account, you will first of all have to log out of your current account. So to do that, you have to tap on menu which is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then scroll down towards the end and you will see the option of logout. So you have to tap on that. Again, tap on logout. Once you tap on logout, you will be redirected to this screen. Now from here, if you have saved that specific account to your account center or even saved that login info, you will be able to see the login info over here. As you can see, I have 3 accounts saved on my Facebook application, so I can simply tap on any of these accounts and I will be able to log in to another Facebook account. But for example, if you don't have the login info saved, what you have to do is that simply tap on log into another account. Now first of all, enter your mobile number or your email. Once you do that, you have to tap on continue. Once you tap on continue, it will ask you for your password. So you simply have to enter your Facebook password and you will be able to easily log in to another Facebook account. Now in my case, as I already have the saved info, so I will simply select the account on which I want to log in and I will be able to easily log in to another Facebook account. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.